Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the Hisense TV that has Google TV. So first thing is, let's put these earbuds into pairing mode. So you'll know that it's in pairing mode when you open that lid up and this light turns to three colors: blue, red, green, which indicate it's in pairing mode. Okay, so the buds are in the case. Let me open this up and then let me see what colors I get here. I get a solid green light here, and then it just turns off. Okay, so for myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode. Now back here, see that little button? What I want to do is press and hold that for about 5 seconds, or just wait until it starts blinking those three colors. So we'll do it together. Button here, ready, go. Press and hold, keep holding, wait. Still holding, green, blue, red, there it is. Go ahead and let go. Leave your earbuds just like this. Don't close that lid. If you do, it's going to turn off. So we'll leave it just like this, or you can put them in your ear right now, whatever you want. Now let's shoot over to your TV, and you want it to go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings button on your remote. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on your remote, and then navigate to the settings, the gear icon. So let me kind of click settings. Let me select that. And then from here, the all settings is highlighted in white, so I'm going to select that. Now, once you're here, you want to go down. On the left pane here, we want to go to remotes and accessories right there. Let's go ahead and select that. Now, make sure that Bluetooth is toggled on, okay? And then also down here under accessories, you can see all these other ones here, but these are just other headphones and earbuds that I have paired to this TV. So what we're going to do is we're going down to pair accessory, select that, and now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range or so. It's still in the pairing mode, and now we just have to wait here. If it takes too long, we can go back and do the search again, but let's see here. Come on. Okay, for some reason it didn't pop up. No problem. We're just going to click on the back button on the remote. Let's go back, and we're going to go back to pair accessory. So select that. And then let's see if it finds it now. Hey, what do you know? It shows up there, Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Just make sure it's highlighted. Okay on the remote. It says pairing. You should get a pairing request. It pairs already highlighted. Let's okay that. And see the blue flashes, so it connected. It says paired. It says connected down there as well. And you can see the Galaxy Buds 4, it says connected. Okay, all the other ones say disconnected. Okay, so there you go. And then if I close the lid, it turns it off. Okay, anyway, pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.